everybody. I hope that you guys are having a fabulous day. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video, and also leave a comment, ring the bell so you guys can get notified when I upload. So today's video is going to be an IPSY unboxing for January 2018. I got it a little bit early, so I'm very stoked what I got in here. So they have like a pamphlet right here, which is super cool. So they have like that, and it tells you the products that you have inside, which is something new that IPSY did this year. So more products, more focus on you. I might upgrade this to the 25 a month, maybe, if they improve their stuff, and then be the first to try Glam Bag Plus, which is like more of the big box. The bag looks like it has like that nice little keep thing in the end, and it says IPSY at the bottom. First thing I have right here is the Naked Cosmetics new Heavy Metal. It's a loose powder eyeshadow. Is formulated with high graded 100% oxidated mica, which means crazy vibrant colors without any filler. So you can just put it on your eyes as a lid and stuff like that. I might use this, I may not. We'll see what it goes. Then I got the little mini sized Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour full coverage foundation in medium sand, which is really interesting to try if this will fit on my face, because I'm more of like a tannish, kind of light kind of type of person. So we'll see if this is too bright on my face. But this full coverage matte finish foundation will be your new to go to even out your skin tone. They have like a bonus in here. It says it actually good for your skin. Amazonian Clay harvest from the bank. Helps balance your complexion. Information about it, if you guys are interested, you know. I have this Ouai Living Conditioner shampoo thing. This is meant for healthy, shiny, and super manageable hair. Conditions the tangles, reduces frizz, and offers heat protection to shield your strands from hot tools. So this is like, maybe you can try it out when you're curling your hair. And then I have this blush serum nourishing water based cheek and lip color. This serum is long wearing, non-greasy, and totally buildable. It looks so pretty when you dab it on your lips too. So you can do on your cheeks with this product and put it on your cheeks and lips. I got this liquid lipstick, Hola Neon Velvet Liquid Lipstick. If you're looking for a matte lip color that really lasts, this smooth, highly pigmented liquid formula will keep the need for touch-ups to an absolute minimum. I think this one I would really use. The BoxyCharm lipstick that I had was not my type of color, so I gave that away for somebody that will use it. This is in the color DF. So yeah, that's my little unboxing going on for IPSY. I'm not really sure. In my next video, I will try to check this out and maybe do a little makeup look with this. Combine it with this foundation and this one. Let's see what works in my next video. Yeah, I just want to share with you guys what I got. That's what I have in the box. And leave a comment below what you guys think of this month's IPSY. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.